welcome back to Poppy's Workshop. For the opening theme music for this episode, don't think of Napoleon the 14th, they're coming to take me away. Don't. Pause me, bring the YouTube homepage up on another tab, search for Napoleon the 14th, they're coming to take me away, and listen to it, okay? That's how I feel today. Trying to shoot video. I made 5 attempts at shooting the comparison between the Shearline 3-jaw chuck and the one I bought to replace it. Poppy's last vicious stab at acquiring the filthy lucre. I shot that. And boom, they all disappear. Yeah. The Shearline overview, the sublime, the abysmal, the just weird. The Shearline overview, that disappeared. Ever feel that you're about to accomplish something and the universe says, no you can't. You don't get to accomplish. Boom. Yeah. That's today. Maybe it's this computer. It's just a Acer 7-inch tablet. What can I say? Last video, I was in the kitchen making coffee. I said I was going to go watch Adam Boot's latest Saturday night special. I did that. And I watched him cut the piece of steel for the Fireball tool plate. And I watched Steve Summers' latest installment of the adventure with his KT milling machine. And the inside of that motor is crusty. What else? Projects. I have a cylindrical grinding on the Shearline lathe project coming up as soon as my tripod gets here, and I pull a whole bunch of stuff out of the shop so I can get in there and actually work. Cylindrical grinding on the Shearline lathe? Yes, you can. I made an attachment for the tool post. I used it. I'll show you the part I used and had to use it on. I'm going to machine another one just like it for the same problem. Okay. I have a project where I'm going to mount a boring head, a good boring head on a rotary table for machining balls and hemispherical depressions. I'll show you my take on machining balls and hemispherical depressions. And there is the laser device for that I was talking about in Poppy's last vicious stab at acquiring the filthy lucre. I gotta reshoot that. Sometimes I wonder, bottle in front of me or frontal lobotomy? That old joke? Yeah. When you're just about to accomplish something, I think I hear end theme credit music coming up. see. I'm pretty sure this is in public domain. Rockabye.